Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bratan, selamat datang lagi di channel YouTube Anang Didik. Oke, hari ini Anang Didik hendak main game Tomb Raider lagi nah, menyambung yang semalam. Penasaran bukan kamu? Nah, yuk kita langsung lah, main lah. Continue. Yang belum subscribe ingat di subscribe lah. Yes, nah yang mana nih? Sini. Oke. Sampai mana lah? Sampai kita membunuh orang yang orang Rusia tuh nah. Menangkap di kawanan kita. Yuk, kemana kita nih?
They ran into the forest. Get me some light over here.
Tuh, biar mulai. Tegang lah, biar mulai lah. Sana. Ya, sana kita. Oke lah, udah ada musuhnya nih. Yuk, kemana? Kita nih kan tahu arah. Oh, ini kawan nih. Ayo. Ya. Kenapa sih?
Got another one.
Kenapa
Over there.
Nah.
I don't know.
Ya, ambil pelurunya.
Outsider, we know you're here. There's nowhere to run.
Tembak ya.
Gun!
Stay away from me!
Salah kan? Headshot tidak. Kalau di loot musuhnya apa itu loot? Ini bentuk kawang nih lah.
Find anything?
Makasih masuk. Sini masuk.
Turn around. You're gonna die in there.
Dari luar. Turun kamu saja. Buka itu, buka. Nyebrang.
I don't hear anyone. What do you think? Probably dead. Keep looking.
Yang senjata apa? Oh. Beli teman.
Hey, you find any more down there? No, nothing.
Mana?
Keep an eye out.
Oh, itu banyak lah di atasnya. Nah, iya aja. Ya. Mati gede kamu. Ambil. Betul. Penuh, peluru kita penuh. Aku kebakaran. Kemana kita? Itu nih. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya.
See what he's got.
Mantap gua game ini parkurnya kamu.
It's always the same shit.
Enak.
So what came in? Another tanker?
Nah, looked like some kind of research ship.
Should be some good stuff.
Ini kan nih lawan nih.
What's going on down there? Everything okay?
Si Konglang. Tembak tuh burit. Banyak teman. Tuan ini mau parak danang bidik. Saya naik. Ya.
Lara, are you there?
Yes!
I can see smoke coming from the old ruins. Are you okay?
Oh god, Roth, I'm in trouble. They're killing people.
What? Who?
Men.
Bunuh ya.
I don't know why. I had to kill some of them. I had no choice.
Halo. Gameplay. Mati aja subtitle ini. Nah ya. Ganggu pemandangan.
Easy.
It's scary just how easy it was. You've got to warn the others, Roth.
Don't
Mana
worry
nih?
about them right now. You just do whatever it takes to get to me, Lara.
I'll try.
Sini juga nomor kok. Apa ini?
Numbers. Some kind of
Apa
coordinates.
tadi?
Did someone want these to be found? Oh.
Nah,
The
Kem
thing
dapat
about
Kem.
nightmares is sooner or later you wake up. But there's no waking up from this place.
Kita upgrade dulu
Which means I'm really here. I'm really doing these
fast
things.
travel.
No, don't think about it, Lara. Not now. It won't help. I don't know what's happened to the rest of the crew. I hope they're okay. They have to be. They have to be. I don't know what the hell is going on here. All that matters is that Roth finds a way to get us home.
Baby suit. Kita mau ke Pacific ini dulu. Kalau kehabisan kita. Wah, ya. Bisa? Kenapa disuruh buang? Oke, nanti. Udah kebuka laju kah? Ya.
Just got word from the West Beach. Looks like a smaller group escaped into the lower forest.
Maybe we get a hunting party down there.
No, Father Matthias went himself.
Ini
Told us to
panah,
stay
ini
out.
pistol.
What? Why?
Pistolnya belum. Ya. Ini kamu. Di atas sana banyak. Kamu pulang. Yes, karena batu. Kita makan ya. Ini kan memang bidik ya ini. Lut. Oh, wadahnya nih. Berkakar. Nah, model bekas kerajaan kayak itu kan. Yes.
She's in here somewhere. Find her.
Aduh,
Capture,
orang-orang.
kill. Kill her! She's too much trouble. You
Tapi
two,
kan
check that
cucunya.
side. Got it.
Panah ya lah.
What was
Nah,
that?
ya.
Quiet, quiet!
Oh, kemana? Yes. Cek F. Nunggu parak, cek F.
Keep looking! She's gotta be here somewhere!
Kayak mantap caranya. Tam.
You find anything on that side?
No! Not a damn thing!
Hey, watch it.
Cek
Far
film.
down does it go? All the way to the sea caves. Damn. Maybe she
Suike
fell.
ka jarang. Suke itu, no? Kodok goreng. Oh. Nah, ini kita kau di belakang. Parak tuh. Headshot nanti bisa mati berdua
There she
kan.
is! Shooting from the side!
Yes.
Get her! What are you doing? You'll burn the whole place down!
Yeah!
Burn! I'm under fire!
Dam. Dam. Nak bakar kita. Kamu bilang. Ayo kan kena. Lagi. Harus 2 kali. Kasih buka. Jarang kok, jarang. Hadap. Mana gila? Iya. Masih. Mantap. Hop. Menu ekstra aja. Continue at mountain. Telegraph retreat. Oh, naik terus ya. Gunung.
I can do this.
Oke, mantap, naik ke atasnya. Kayak kecen nanti. Ayo, yang bebek kamu bisa. Kamu apa? Nanti. Oh. Oh ya. Oh, baru tembakan, mana orangnya?
Roth?
Nih. Kawan tuh.
Roth, I'm coming!
Aku yang hancur batisnya. Gitu nyala.
God's got nothing to do with it.
Ini kamu obati lah.
Good to see you two, girl.
Udah.
Sorry, they did a real number on your leg.
No, looks worse than it is.
Have you heard from any of the others?
Nothing.
Wait, what are you doing?
The wolves
Boy.
took my food pack.
Kopi abah boy.
Transmitter from the lifeboat's in it. If we don't get that back,
Abah nggak ada
we're not
mengerti
getting off this
kemudian
bloody
main game
island.
boy.
You need bandages, morphine, antiseptic.
Ayo pak,
Also in the pack.
terus kan masuk kamera kan.
Shit.
Exactly. Come here. Come on.
Ini takut aku ya Rana, takutnya nah ya bala. Som lu amang ini.
No.
Modusnya dokter sih pulang sih ding.
Oh, don't do this to me, you know.
Mendengarin napas buatan. Amang mesum.
Okay.
Gitu suruh mirip ya. Dasar mau dosa ini.
Thank God he's still alive.
Untung dia masih hidup ya Nana. Kita sambil mengopi. Nah,
Wolf tracks. Oh God, what am I doing?
nanya
The pack's up there somewhere.
oh tuh ya nah serigalanya. Survival instinct. Oh ini nah ada jejaknya tuh. Mana pulang? Perjalanan lah kita lah, boleh lihat lah, sobat lah. Bukan ada kuning-kuning. Oh, burung kayaknya. Hop. Ini makan obor. Ah, nyaman gua. Nah, ke sana kita suruhnya. Hop, periksa ya rumah-rumahnya. Nah, ya. Hop. Yuk. Peter, nah. Ini pulang bakar. Nah, ini sesuatu nih. Ih, asli, sangkan udah kurang sih. beda kayaknya lain. Patung. Pakai hantu guys kan. Namanya. Nah, sini loh. Kadang. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim sampai nah bujur lo. Oh, naik kita tunggal gemetan. Nah, sini. Nah, sana.
These ruins. Kamakura period. Was all
Nah,
this
jalan
part
aja.
of Yamatai?
Ya, kita bersejarah loh. Hah? Nggak berjalan lah. Ini cucul, mau dicucul. Terus mana lah? Bingung emang lah. Tuh, bukan kamu tahu kemana komen. Model pindah ke saudara aja lagi kita ini kada live. Ternyata ada sanggup di kampung. Mana tujuan kita nih ya? Oh, ke sana. Ke sini lah. Udah sampai kita loncat ke sana. Ya kan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nah, sampai lah. Ini ulang. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Udah kali pulang. Repot nih. Nah, bisa. Nah, ke sini. Up. Nah. Kenapa berturun? Aduh, ayo, yuk kita naik. Nah. Oh, gitu memang caranya. Sudah di atas itu mana? Nah. Up. Up. Nah, ya lah, aduh, hai. Mulai tadi, Pak. Nice, ada tali. Yuk. Di bawah. Main dalam ya. Kalau tapi kalau nyaring lo pandai lah, anak emang guring. Harus. Kasih. Nggak mau. Nggak mau. Gugur malahan. Mah jauhnya. Kadang. Kali ini coba ke situ aja itu. Saya ke sini. Apa di serbu yuk putar. Hop. Astaga, ini jalannya nah. Keliling kita mana-mana. Bisa enggak? Oke, yuk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya. Mati yang. Berikan saya. Ini ya, nomor R enak. Oh, hilang pohon tadi nah. Nampak. Sudah kita mana pulang terus nggak mau. Oh mulai atas. Oh lanjut oh nah ya oke sampai kita apa mencram berkat cangkal ini ya.
The pack's in there.
Iya harus bergerak. Banyak, aduh, asli ngeri sama serigala. Tembak ya gam.
I just want the pack. That's all.
Suara HP kah? Nah. Foto.
Got it. Okay. Got to get this back to Roth.
Dapat apa kita? Oh, ini sarangnya nih. Nah. Ya bawa lagi kasih. Ini kan. Jangan lah. Bentuk. Itu dibuka ke sini mana? Ah, ada lubang. Belum muat. Tam. Tinggi nak. Terkajut. Mana itu?
Get the hell off me!
Harus mati tadi kan. Gantungan yang ini. Elut loh. Dapat apa nggak tahu. Udah turun sana. Enak dulu. Harus cari dulu. Matahari gunung. Nah, lo ada sesuatu lo. Dapat apaan lah? Enter. Mau. Harus cari alat dulu kita ya, Ra. Tinggi kita meloncat mulai sini mati udas. Nah ini jalannya. Oh kesan bulik rupanya. Oh salah. Masih sudah. Oh. Tuh. Ini pada enak mainan. Belum datang profesor makanya itu Kapten Sum. Matiam kah?
Right. Let's get you patched up.
Ya obat ya. Bayaknya atapnya kerida. Kalau lawasan mencari jalan naik, lihat tuh, setengah jam sudah.
It's not bad.
Aku ya yang
What does a young lady like you like
meropeng
to do
mahal
like
lumpur.
Late shift at the 9 Bells. Horse got nothing on a broken bottle.
Maka hujan tuh nggak kebasuh muka.
You got it. Nice work.
So I assume the plan is to take that up to the radio tower.
Well, it should give us the best shot of broadcasting a strong signal in every direction.
Alright. Kita umpati jagasannya lah, jangan di skip-skipan ngebrang.
Lara,
Nggak will
we
jadi.
need to send out that SOS.
Modus kita
I'm
hanya
not
renak
climbing
dulu.
anytime soon.
Modus ini.
Yeah, I was afraid you're going to say that.
You can do it, Laura. After all, you're a Croft.
I don't think I'm that kind of craft.
Sure you are. You just don't know it yet.
Nah, dapat pelang kita. Itu kesan memanjat di anu tuh, es biasanya orang.
Well, let's hope I'm a fast learner then.
Kamu
Just
gak will pulang emang.
Be careful, Laura.
Hati Laura lah. Aduh, PDKT am si Din. Yang bebek pun nakam parakir pajam. Mana? Climbing X.
You might want to give that axe a go on the rock wall over there first.
Tunggu kita coba aja lah.
I can climb this.
Nah, titik sudah, nah. Oh, kurang parah. Kayak sentral bang lo. Aduh, kadap udah kelihatan. Sama namanya naik. Ke sana. Banyak kalinya, nah. Tuh. Guys. Mana tadi ya? Wadah tadi lah. Dari mana ya? Loncat. Langsung paham. Oh, itu nah. Ada di sini. Nah. Oke. Kita cari lo. Nyara kau lah. Lobor. Badaknya Oke, ini kita tahu kemana menuju. Banyak nih tengkorak. Lumayan tuh ada dagingnya sih. Wih, banyak apa namanya ini? Stalaktit. Yuk kan. Parak tembak. Oh, bukan. Camp lagi nah.
Thank God for us
Skill ya,
training.
suruhnya naik kakak.
All those treks, all those climbs. It's as if he'd been preparing me for something like this all along. It's clear that there are people living here, and they're organized. They're killing and recruiting. But why? It's like some kind of cult. But a cult of what?
Senjata.
What do they want?
Begitu 74. Senin ke 200. Update. Update trick. Woi. Pakai bang. Coba bajunya. Wih, bagus. Tapi kena gomak nih itu ah. Online. Tahu ya apa bonekam tuh anak yang paling minim tuh bang pokoknya. Bang baru tekan. Nah ya kalau mana bang? Ini di depan lampu. Ini nggak apa-apa. Oh.
Gilded figures, servants of the Sun Queen.
Mana?
Sacrifice, murder. There's no record of these kinds of rituals in ancient Yamatai.
Hup.
Unless it was erased from the
Oh,
text.
turun. Ini cucul suruhnya. Baik apa? Banyak. Mana kita mencari? Cari api yuk. Kesana. Langsung loncat lagi. Nah ya. Cepat. Oh itu apa tuh? Itu cucul. Pulang. Buting pulang. Nah. Masuk mana kita? Sana. Oh. Nah ya. Tolong lucur. Hop. Hop, thumbnail dulu lah. Nah, sip tadi. Jenguk lagi sini. Ah, yang beb. Iya, manis. Mungkin lah. Nah, sampai dah.
This may have been built in honor of her priestesses. Incredible.
Karun. Kayak Mas Bak. Sugih dadak kita. Langsung upgrade. Mana base camp gitu tadi. Pang. Sedikitnya bawa. Oh, ada tali nah. Hah? Bulut kan dia tadi. Oh. 4 skill lagi kita. Ini apa nih? Bone collector. Nah, atau kita mengoleksi tulang. Barang ini lah. Buruhnya. Itu ya tadi kan. Jam 100 masih. Ini tembak dah. Aduh, minta 200. Kan naik lagi. Kurang masih duit kita. Keluar lagi. Publik lagi. Tenang aja. Oh, dang. Kirip lampu amang. Habis sananya lah. Raya. Lampu baces. Nah. Sekarang lagi kan. Ada gunung, ada bulat bawahnya. Keluar lagi kita. Sama. Oh, suruh naik sekarang yuk. Naik. Sip. Itu kenapa ya? Nembak ada mau. Panah ada mampan dulu. Ke situ kah? Sampai berapa? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parak lagi ya. Seru nang game nek.
Hey! You find anything? No, nothing. What? Nothing. There's no one up here. They never make it up this far. Should we head back up to the bunker? Nah, let's wait out the storm. Got it! Stay alert. Let's... Need some help! Firing from the side!
Os. Malahnya kau. Ayo, sembunyian nggak sampai. Kenapa? Ke sana kita. Waduh, lampu tadi konek motor ya. Oh ini, nah, udah mau. Nah, dapat item. Sana. pohonnya. Hup. Iya. Apa gitu nih?
A kind of mortar and pestle. Probably used for preparing medicinal
Apa
herbs.
tuh? Bisa merek bumbu nih. Giling. Kenapa banget ke pedang kayak ini? Hup. Hup. Oke, sampai. Untung ya, situ kan udah ambil lah, sayang nih. Turun nggak? Bisa nggak upgrade
I have
upgrade?
spoken to some.
Bubur gitu nah, ada hidup-hidup lah. Ya. Oh, patah. Nah, jauh bor nah. Sip. Dulu. Penting nih baru diambil. Weapon modification ya. Harus di camp lah, ngerinya emang. Patung Buddha tadi bang, kita menghidupkan patung Buddha tadi bang. Hup. Hup. Ini naik pulang. Hop. Yuk, tentu. Udah kalau itu pakai oboran. Ayo ya, berhenti. Hei. Dasar harat.
Lara, are you there?
Kuantum din ah.
Reyes, did you find Sam?
We're still on her trail.
I'm going to try and send an SOS from an old radio tower up here. Any tips?
Hey, Lara. You're gonna need to find the communications console. It'll look like a bunch of old switchboards.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll let you know when I find it.
Nih, bacakan. Gak mau.
Hey, wake up! Wake up! We got an intruder! Come on, grab her!
Please! You don't need to do this!
Smoke bomnya. Sini Kang. Gampang melatup jawab seorang. Sangat deh Kang. Gerakannya tuh. Tulisan thumbnail bagus banget ya. Kan?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Tim. Kedinginan ayang bebku.
I'm telling you, Reyes, it's mechanical, not an electrical problem.
Now, Alex.
This looks like it might be an electrical problem.
You think?
Oh, hello.
Halo.
Hey, who's this little fox, huh?
Ah, she's cute, huh? Yes, Alicia.
Alicia.
It's
I
my
like
daughter.
that. Oh,
14 years old. And smarter than you'll ever be.
she must get that from her father.
Don't give him the attention. And, yeah.
I'll take a look at this. Probably electrical. From her father. Nice one.
So I was on the lock, right? Doing a spot of midnight fishing.
Hey, Grim, time to button down the hatches.
I
Ito na tadi na.
So I was on the lock,
Modus tadi.
right? And this thing comes looming
Nah,
at me,
kapten kapal.
looming at the water it was. So I give it a old Glasgow kiss, you know. Gets you out of trouble 9 times out of 10, that does. Took me a week to sleep that night off. And I've not touched a drop since. See you at dinner, fam.
Ay. Ay.
All right.
Lawan
Can you take me
keriting
real,
yuk
please?
pacaran.
Thank you.
Udah tapi PDKT pulang dong kita.
Dr. James Whitman, filler 15, take 3, and action.
Anjir dasar itu.
Now, take a firm grip, and then slice him down the belly, like this.
Nah, orang nah.
Yeah, you got...
Kalau video YouTube unboxing,
Cut.
unboxing
Cut!
wak.
Cut! Cut! Is he coming back?
Ngata kioknya kalau bisa itu.
I'll go get him.
Meraju.
Discover
The world-renowned archaeologist,
fish
Mr.
I don't
Dr. James
copy
Whitman.
breeds of fish.
It's just a fish. It's
I know
fine.
it's just a
You're gonna be fine.
Yo, merangut mukanya.
This damned reality TV business. I'm meant to be bringing culture to the people, Sam, not dinner. No offense, Jonah.
The audience demands content, Dr. Whitman. You know that. So until we find the Lost Kingdom, we need footage like this. Come on, let's just take it from the top, okay?
Yuk.
We're gonna make you look like
Unboxing,
Gordon
kita
Ramsay.
unboxing. Iwak tongkol.
Dr. James Whitman, filler 15, take 4, action.
Action.
Okay, now take a firm grip, and then slice him
Oke
down the belly.
guys, hari ini gua akan unboxing iwak tongkol guys.
charts on the back of my eyelid.
Caranya
But if I'm not right about
ditatak-tataknya.
Yamatai being in the Dragon's Triangle,
Remember when you found that
Nah,
on one of your father's
ayang
days?
bebek pulang.
You ran up and showed it to me dressed in your penguin pajamas.
I was 5 years old. It was my first find.
Pejantan
You've
tangguh
got
juga
great
kapten
instincts
ini.
now. You just have to trust them.
Udah merayu nang keriting kita
That's
belum
what my father
merayu.
used to say.
Now there was a man that ran on instinct. For better or worse. He would have been so proud of you, Lara.
We're getting closer to the storm.
Now, whatever's coming, we'll get through it, eh?
Nah, gawil pulang ya. Para sum. Buang lah. Nah,
Okay, Lara. Pull yourself together. They're counting on you.
kita upgrade dulu. Habis ya. 300. Ada kan? Jadi senjatanya lah. Bis ininya, bahannya. Mana pulang? Ini diambil dulu nih.
This coin probably found its way into Japanese circulation sometime in the mid-19th century.
It's Jepang, Cina, brand Chinese coin. Brand itu perak, nggak ada salah. kecil tapi datang sana lah. Kayak kesini kalian. Yuk, sana.
Hey! Get that damn gun off me!
Nih, headshot. Lampunya bang. Ya. Itu bang.
Surprised they even work after so many years!
Bang. Banyak sekali ya. Markasnya. Turunnya ke atas kita. Headshot pulang ya. Sam. Darah lo.
Help me out here!
Aduh.
Everything about this island is crazy, brother. Hey! Get that damn gun off me! Surprised they even work after so many years.
Pokoknya headshot terus. Oh, ada pulang lah. Ya. Tuh pulang. Nah, tadi menembak. Dia ke sana. Itunya. Ada mau. Ini. Mana dia? Kayaknya lah. Headshot ya kan? Ampun. Bisa mati kita. Penting aja di darah lu. Yes. Untung banget. Tegang lah. Asli. Gemet lah. Ini suara orang jalan. Nah, ini bayangannya keluar. Mana orang? Mana orangnya? Bro, ini udah pakai lampu kelihatan. Nyaman kita ketahuan.
An Edo period coin minted in the late...
Ini senjatanya nak. Ini pulang. Ini pulang.
Hey, I need help!
Tiga deh kan. Udah ketahuan kan malah. Ini mana sih nih? Pintu. Naik ke atas. Oh, kita ini kemenaraan sudah.
This bunker.
Lain.
World War II era.
Jauh ya sih.
Probably Japanese.
Oh. Yang kepakan obor. Sampainya kebayang dulu. Aduh, belicik lagi ya bebek nih.
You okay? Fine, just do the job. How many came in from the new wreck?
Wah, orang agak tuh menggantungin mayat.
Father Matthias brought one in himself.
For the ritual?
Probably. We'll find out tonight.
Kenapa nih? Oh, memati. Gas beracun. Paham. Mana orang pandai dulu?
Careful. It's loaded with fuel.
Yang
No shit.
What do they need it for?
Generator, probably. For the tower.
How the hell are we gonna get it up the stairs?
Good question.
Let's just leave it here for now.
headshot. Lagi sih kok. Oh. Ketahuan kah? Kan. Limpanan kali kan melawan tanah. Oh, pirangnya bakar gitu. Menapi. Itu yang menapi. Data? Yuk, yang bukanya. Nah, bentar. Apaan? Tidak apa-apa. Kesini
That glass looks weak.
Mana kita nih? Kesana aja deh.
Run, outsider!
What the hell?
I'm gonna watch you die now.
Mana kita?
It's over for you. Don't fight it. Where you going?
That glass looks weak.
Ini bisa ngapain ya?
Hey!
Nyaman nih kamu. Basah deh kamu. Jadian. Dapat jeren kita.
Just end it. Please.
Apa? Bunuh aku jeren.
Just kill me now.
Ayo, Nah. Ini baik. Nolongnya. Mana pulang?
Now, light her up. Time to die. She has a machine gun. Get close. She's reloading. God damn you. I think she's
Mana pulang?
reloading. Use your consoles as cover. Got me.
Kasih banyak.
God.
Beli pelurunya. Makasih. Buat api ini. Ada dah. Udah peluru. Apa lagi sih?
Father Matthias will set us free. From what? This island?
Nice. Kamu. Kasian. Sampai. Sampai kita. Pelan. Ini pusat komandonya nih. Ruang server.
Alex, are you there?
Yeah.
The console's a wreck.
Damn it. Well, unless you see a Radio Shack around, you're gonna have to patch it manually through the maintenance panel.
Okay, that sounds simple enough.
Yeah, well, You're gonna have to find it first. On those old towers, they installed those panels high up.
Nah,
I mean,
harus
way
mati itu
high up.
dulu.
Climbing again. Great.
Gila, nah kesana. Ambil lo. Bro, pulang. Tahu bahasa Inggris. Panas. Ini jatuh ya, guys. Tangan ikan. Lihat sini.
That tower better work after all this.
Banyak pipa-pipa. Bentang. Gila. Nah, siang sekaligus sudah.
Snow.
Snow.
This isn't normal.
Iya lah. Di sini salju. Salah thumbnail. Mana bagus ya? Ini lah. Sini bang. Sip. Oh ya. Oke. Kita sampai di penghujung acara hari ini ya. Saya jam habis sudah tuh. Kena habis memori amang merekam terus ngupload kada. Oke lah, yang penasaran kisah selanjutnya kita sambung lagi di episode yang berikutnya lah. Yang belum subscribe, makasih di subscribe. Gimana mengenang nih tanpa cangkal ya? Merekam game terus. Oke, bertahanlah. Amang pamit dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.